My name's Bob Nicolson. I'm the Managing Director of Aquasium Technologies. We manufacture electron beam welding systems, and the company has done so since 1960. Our core business, which we've been carrying out for over 60 years, uses the electron beam inside a vacuum chamber to weld components. We have over 1,300 machines globally. We export 95% of what we do, and we have a broad range of industry sectors. We've, in the last few years, have developed the technology to take the electron beam outside of the vacuum chamber, which has been a restriction, and we are now able to use this very powerful and controllable technology to weld very large components, notably ships, pressure vessels, oil and gas appliances, and we have developed this as a result of coming up with a unique gun design and a unique set of seals so that we create a vacuum now just around the very area that we're welding. This is a revolution in thick section electron beam welding, and so there are many applications globally for this, and so we see this as a game changer in the world of welding. It's the biggest step change really in welding since the arc welding technology was developed in the 1930s. The Ebflow process starts by the electrons being generated within the new gun. They are then accelerated with a very high accelerating voltage through the gun itself, controlled by electromagnets, and the beam then passes very quickly through the thick sections to be welded. It melts the two parent materials together. There are no filler materials, there are no traditional materials or methods used in, that would normally be used in an arc process. The beam then fuses those, the parent material, passes through to the other side where it's sensed by some sensors which control the amount of power required. The speed of the weld itself is remarkably fast, 30 to 50 times faster than any other method of welding. One of the reasons, primary reasons we went to Foresight was because they were investing in the kind of the size of business investment that we were looking for. It wasn't a large investment, it was small to medium size, and so they were ideally positioned at that time. The support over the years has been excellent. We had a sticky start when we made the acquisition, but we overcame that with their support. In addition, they enabled us to make a bolt-on acquisition in the USA. And that was a very successful investment for them and for us. The opportunity that we see with Ebflow is transformative for this business. Our core business, which we've been doing for 60 years, is a nice steady business, has grown significantly over the last 5 years in a whole range of sectors, but local vacuum electron beam has the potential to be, as I've said, very disruptive, and that's certainly the direction we want to go in.